You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's fix YouTube playback speed not working. First, refresh the video page or close and reopen the YouTube app. Check your internet connection. A slow connection can disrupt speed controls. Update the YouTube app from your app store or use the latest browser version. If you're on a browser, clear your cache and cookies. For the mobile app, try clearing the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, YouTube, Storage, then Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the app via Settings. General iPhone storage. Sometimes the feature is restricted on certain content like live streams or paid movies. Try a different video to test. Disable any browser extensions that might interfere like ad blockers. Try using an incognito or private browsing window. If you're on a phone, restart the device, log out of your YouTube account and log back in. On the web, try a different browser like Chrome or Firefox. If using YouTube Premium, ensure your subscription is active. The setting may have moved. Tap the three dots, then look for playback speed. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.